How to recall an email on your Outlook. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Recalling an email in Microsoft Outlook refers to the ability to attempt to retract or withdraw an email message that you have already sent. When you recall an email, you are essentially trying to undo sending it or replace it with a new message. However, it is essential to understand that the email recall does not guarantee success and is subject to several limitations and conditions. Two of such condition is if the email hasn't been opened and if the email has been read. So first of all, go and log in into your Outlook account and then go to the sent items. Once you go to sent items, just tap on this email that you want to recall. After that, you have to go to the message tab on the ribbon at the top. Once you do so, you should see an option called as recall this message. If you cannot find it, you can just right click on the message and from the drop down menu, you should see the option of recall this message. This will open recall this message dialog box. From there, you will see two options: delete unread copies of the message or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Choose the appropriate option based on your preference. After that, you can add the requested message if you want. Then tap on OK and you're good to go. If the recall is unsuccessful, you will not receive a notification confirming the recall status, but if it is success, you will receive a notification along with the status. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.